Alright, we got this DHC with a 9-inch coil out here. People may find this little test here, the results interesting, okay? Now, that's a piece of canslaw in that cap, but the dime is over here, okay? And what you're going to see me doing is you're going to see me sweeping this coil like so, coming over that canslaw to that dime. Now I'm going to use the general program at 14 kilohertz max and the deep high conductor, okay? They're set up identical. I even have turned off auto scan, okay? And I'll show you here. They're both sitting right there, lowest band in a 14 kilohertz. Speed 1 in both, full tones in both. And I'll even double check here, 6.8 disc. Now neither one is ground balanced, disclaimer, okay? Same disc. Let me turn this sensitivity to 93 on this general program. So no advantage. Now neither program is ground balanced, okay? Now what I'm going to show you is I'm going to come over here. You can hear the dime that way, okay? I'll show that again. So here's the general program, okay? Now I've got 0 through 80 notched out in both of these programs. Watch what happens here. Listen. You hear that? All right, now that's the general program with that notch in it. Remember the notch? Now we're in deep high conductor. Now auto scan is off, okay? Let's listen. Notice you don't get that signal coming over that foil or that canslaw. Weak if you do get it, okay? Let you listen to it again. Then we'll go back to general and do the same kind of exercise, okay? Hear that? Hear that? So that might get you to turn on that target in the wild, okay? We'll go back here to deep high conductor and try it some more here and let you listen. So the deep high conductor, you're seeing more of that canslaw. Hear that? Now, we're going to come over here and we're going to look at both of these programs. Now we're around here on the cap, okay? So the dime is more or less down on this a coil right there, general program. There it is right there. You get that? Now that pole's probably, or that canslaw's bothering that signal right there even. So you get a 90 to 92 in the window, and then we go over here to the deep high conductor program. You get to hear that signal. I'm gonna come back over here again. Deep high conductor. Now the cone is over here where I got the call point, more or less. And we're gonna come back across this cap with this canslaw in it. Deep high conductor. Alright. Back to general. Hear that? So that general program, you know, coming at that target like so would give you higher odds of hitting that particular dime right there in that scenario. At least get you to turn on and get suspicious about it. Okay, now the ID comes up in the window 99 a lot of times. All right, back to deep high conductor. See, we just don't get that. We don't get it when it comes over that canslaw. We don't hear the machine hitting that dime down there like we do in the general program. I hope you enjoyed.